Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on sound haptics on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down. And then, click on sounds and haptics. After that, you want to scroll down the page until you get to keyboard feedback. Click on it. Now, it should say sounds haptics. To turn them both on, go ahead and toggle both on. Now, to turn on only haptic, turn on haptic, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to turn on sounds haptics, and to turn on sounds haptic together, turn the two together on, and that's it. So that's exactly how to turn on sound haptics on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.